Hello and welcome. You are watching Don Bosco Media Network. This is Deepika Lingdor bringing to you the news and events from Meghalaya. Let us first have a look at the headlines for today. SSA School Association demands salary structure implementation and enhancement of the remuneration to SSA teachers working under Samagra Shiksha. Meghalaya Joint Action Committee of Commercial Vehicles holds sit-in demonstration at Mulki Ground to demand reduction of prices of petrol and diesel. And public and students depending on commercial vehicles facing challenges. And now the news in detail. Different commercial vehicle organizations under the umbrella of MGACC are univocal that they are not interested in increasing the fare of commercial vehicles, as this will affect the passengers, especially those belonging to the economically weaker section of the society. They said that the state government can easily reduce the price of fuel, as fuel is a state subject, by reducing the various vehicle taxes, including the doing away with COVID-19 cess, as the state is limping back to normal. Large number of drivers of commercial vehicles from different localities of Shillong and its adjoining areas marched through the streets carrying placards and shouted slogans before converging at Mulki Ground. Speaking to the media, the chairman of Meghalaya Joint Action Committee of Commercial Vehicles, Don Bosco, said that the rising trend in the prices of fuels has badly affected not only the owners and the drivers of commercial vehicles, but the entire people of the state. Jarwa said that his organization is adopting the peaceful means of agitation to impress on the state government the need to reduce the prices of petrol and diesel. But these drives have fallen on the deaf ears of the state government. Jarwa said if the state government does not concede to the demand, they will have to adopt other stringent courses of action.
Tengah sudah mana kalian sokar kadiban agak ti kuman tiga yang berkentiu kanya ki ndai bakin knyat pe ndai kalau mata ti knyat man pe nak kalian sokar ni hapse project ti khajna sokar dengan itu ipi men haga swak lockdown ka khajna jong ka passenger tax kaduna ba hadian ka lockdown ka kiyo kani ka passenger tax te kum tak ter